So first of all, Gigi, since ikaw yung nanditong guest na available as of right now, mas maganda siguro na i-introduce mo yung sarili mo sa viewers. Sino ba si Gigi Wellplayed? Sinabi ko kanina, you were a Caster Hunt finalist. Sabi ko rin kanina na Season 2 player ka. Ano pa ba ang meron sa'yo, Gigi?
Hey guys, it's yours truly, Gigi Wellplayed, and a background of me, I work as a CNA po, as a nursing assistant and currently in nursing school. So, the reason why I joined Caster Hunt is, unang-una is napapagod na mag-competitive because of the time zone, and then yung mga mahirap kasi sa competitive if you're playing internationally. Unang-una yung ping, yung pangalawa yung mga delays, and of course yung mga delay yung bala, ganun. And yun nga, nabanggit nyo kanina, I played for Liga Adarna with Maxi, yung mga nasa 4SE ngayon, pero hindi siya under ng clan na yun. It was a different clan before. I also played with Atepec Gameplay when those days were, ang dami ko rin napasukan na clan actually when I was playing competitive. I also played with Kim Skimi, yung mga dati talaga. Kasi nag-start ako Season 5. Ang tagal na rin ako nasa PUBG.
So basically, I can say na OG player ka ng PUBG, right?
Siguro po. Pero I was off and on dahil nga po sa work and studies po. I work full-time and I also in school full-time. So talagang...
And you mentioned you mentioned pala, Gigi, yes, na you're not in the Philippines right now, right?
No po. I'm in Utah, USA po. Diba? And currently, it's 5 in the morning po. Ayan. And night shift kasi talaga po yung work ko. So, yeah. Minsan nakakahabol ako sa mga rooms pag scrims. So, yan. Sa Caster Hunt naman po, they told me na meron akong potential.
Yep.
It's because, before I went here, I was actually part of a radio broadcasting in English po sa school namin. Mm-hmm. And we placed parang second place po, and I was the anchor. So I was like, pwede siyang i-incorporate po kasi I actually been wanting to be a broadcaster then.
And this is in school before. In Utah, USA?
No, in the Philippines po, nung time na yun.
So more yes, like English and Tagalog yung pagbabroadcast?
Yes po.
Pwede bang makarinig kami ng sample, Gigi?
Ay, grabe. Ito po yung intro namin noon. Medyo congested po kasi ako, pero I'll try my best. Okay. Broadcasting live across the Philippine archipelago from North Fairview High School, Quezon City, this is 97.1 The News Rush. Now brings you your doze off.
Wow!
Yun yung intro namin noon, and nice to
actually,
remember it.
Sobrang ganda ng pagkabikas ng mga words. And one thing I can remember about you is kung kilala mo si Leo sa ibang bangbang siya. Si Leo Casts.
Di po. Kasi I only played PUBG po eh.
Pero sa ibang bangbang siya.
My life.
Sa ibang bangbang. Actually, nagkaroon ng offline tournament nung nakaraan lang dito. Which is yung M5.
Oh.
Di ko alam kung pwede ko siguro sabihin, no? Since hindi naman to official ng PUBG Mobile
po,
Philippines.
Pwede naman po siguro.
So, Mobile Legends, Mobile Legends caster siya, si Leo. And
it's actually a good
nakasama ko na siya before when we casted Call of Duty Mobile. It was actually an offline tournament that happened here in the Philippines bago mag-pandemic. That was like a month before the pandemic happened. Or before the lockdown.
So, naswertehan din po, no?
So, yun. Naalala lang kita with Leo. And Leo, yun nga, may background siya sa broadcasting. And you, Gigi, connecting to you, if you have yung background niya when it comes to radio broadcasting, then ibig sabihin yan, malaki yung potential mo talaga, no? When it comes to shoutcasting. Not just in PUBG Mobile, but in other games as well, kung aaralin mo, di ba?
Yes po. Yun naman din po yung reason why I started casting then. Is because I love the game, and as you said earlier, I've been playing since Season 2. And yun nga po, and it helps na nandito ako sa US kasi yung English is everyday basically. Like I speak the language like every day. And
Alright.
ayun nga po.